4 reasons your insurance agency needs to generate Google reviews. Most agencies have relied on word of mouth and customer referrals and the relationships that they've built over the years to generate more business. But those referrals and that word of mouth kind of referral generation has moved online. And so an insurance agency that it hasn't put any kind of focus or effort in their online reputation is already behind. It just takes a really quick search of your agency name on Google to find out a ton of information about you. People can find out when you're available, what type of services you offer. They can click straight through to your website, but they're also going there to see something really specific. They want to see how many reviews you have, how many people have had something good or bad to say about your agency before they take that next step. As people, we're obviously attracted to good reviews when we're looking at a company to potentially do business with. It tells us that we can trust that company, that we can feel good about how we will be taken care of, and that we should take that next step to move forward. And that all by itself is really enough for you to put some time and investment into making sure that your online reviews are solid and that your online presence is solid. But like I said, I've got 4 more reasons that should compel you to put some effort into your online presence. Number 1, building credibility. That's what we've talked about already. But building credibility and that basis of trust is key to generating more business online. 2, it improves your local SEO, and that is search engine optimization. What that means is when I go to Google and I type in insurance agencies near me, your insurance agency will be one of the ones that pops up. And Google does take a bunch of different factors into consideration when it comes to SEO, but one of the factors that Google takes into consideration is the number of reviews that you have and the consistency of reviews that you're getting on a regular basis. 3, this is actually going to prepare your agency for the future. We have been conditioned to look at reviews before we make a purchase or before we do anything, and that is why anytime you're on Amazon looking to buy something, anytime you get an app from the Apple Store or the Android Store, you're being prompted to leave a review regularly because we are all conditioned to look at reviews, and that is the new word of mouth. 4, this one may seem a little bit out of the box, but it actually keeps you connected to your customers. When you have a good stream of feedback coming in and you're asking people for reviews and you're asking people to provide you feedback on their experience, this is a connection point that people actually love, and it just helps you generate and maintain a solid connection with your clients, which is very difficult for an insurance agency that writes policies and then moves that relationship over to the carrier in many ways. Now that you've got 4 really solid reasons to go and get some more Google reviews, download our free guide on 5 ways to boost your Google reviews. And this is a really simple way for you to go and put a plan of action together to not just know you need reviews, but to actually go and get some. So 5 ways to boost your Google reviews. You can download the free guide right here.